Alright, welcome to my section of this video. Here I will show you guys how to connect your Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. Okay, you have a WordPress website, you want to integrate your pixel so that you can be able to track the activities happening on your WordPress site. This video I'm going to make a very clear illustration on how you can be able to achieve that. Okay, so I'm in my events manager dashboard now. This is where I'll be integrating everything for you guys. Okay, so if you want to come here, if you don't know how to come here, when you log into your ad manager account, you go to this event manager. All right, when you get to event manager, it will bring you to this place. Okay, as you can see here, I've already created an ad account, a pixel for this particular ad account. All right, so you go here, connect data sources. Now I cannot create more than another pixel for my website, but if you have ability to create one, you click on it, it will open a new tab where you can copy a code that you paste on your website. All right, but here we're going to use a third-party integration where you can be able to link our WordPress site with our pixel together without actually pasting any code anywhere. All right, so but if you are trying to use code, I will also show you that aspect. Okay, first thing you have to do after copying the code, you go to your WordPress site. I'm my WordPress website now, dashboard. You go to plugin. You go to plugin, then you click add new, so you can be able to add a plugin that can be able to enable you paste the code on your WordPress site. Okay, so there are two plugins I highly recommend. One is called header footer, another one is called pixel your site. Okay, but it depends on what you are doing and what you want to achieve. If you have an e-commerce website, two of them are highly recommended. Anyone can actually serve you well. Okay, so I'm now in my plugin, so I'll be searching for two plugins that I told you guys you can actually use to connect your pixel with your website. So the first plugin is header footer, header and footer. Once again, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, anything you want me to do for you, any video, you can as well comment on the comment section and I will make the video for you. Okay, subscribe to my channel. My name is Obioma Monachi, and I'm here to help you guys achieve success on your Facebook ads. Okay, I think I'm making a mistake. All right, insert header and footer. Okay, I'll search it here. It should be somewhere here. Insert. Close this. Close that. Close this. All right, this is the pixel I'm telling you about. This one. This is the pixel inside headers and footer. As you can see here, is already installed and active. Okay, I've already installed it and it's quite active. Okay, then another pixel I'll also recommend you use is a pixel your site. another one I've already activated. Okay, this is the another one I've already activated. Okay, this is the another one I've already activated it in my WordPress site. Pixel your site is another one good for e-commerce websites, and it integrates also with Google Analytics and other stuffs. Okay, so I'll be going to header footer. Once you've installed it and you have activated it, you go down to your settings, go to settings, and then header and footer, header and footer. Then we'll click on, okay, this is the pixel code from your, once you've copied the pixel code from your Facebook from here. Once you've copied it, once you've created your pixel and copied it from your pixel and copied it, you now have to come to your inside and footer plugin, and then it automatically collects data. It automatically collects data. It automatically collects data. All right, on your website. You don't need to do anything again. Once you paste it, then you now click on save. It saves, and then every other information on your website will be collected effectively. You don't need to worry of anything again. All right, so another aspect of connecting your pixel with your website is using the third-party option, which is mainly what I want us to focus on this video. All right, this is a third party using partner integration. Okay, then we'll select it. This integration makes it quite easier for you to be able to connect any type of store you are using. Okay, if you're using Shopify, if you're using online online platform you're using, you can actually connect it here. Swiss Space and Wiz, anyone, you can actually connect it. So as you can see here, it's showing that I've already connected my WordPress, because it's showing connected. Okay, so let's assume we've not connected it before. So what you have to do is click on it, then click on continue setup. Okay, then it will have to direct you processes you have to follow in order to be able to link two of them together. So we are going to follow this process. It's very easy, quite very easy for you to be able to, integrate your pixel with your website, and then it starts functioning without actually making use of any code. All right, so click on continue. So this is it. You have to take this advanced option, and then also take this so that I can be able to take data, and then you create access token so that you can actually take information even when someone did not make purchase on your website. So I have to copy this code, and then we'll click continue. So you have to make sure your WordPress site is updated. Okay, you don't have to be using the lower version. Then you have to download this pixel extension so they can actually integrate it with your WordPress site, because you're going to upload the plugin, all right, the extension on your WordPress site. So download it. All right, so download. Once you've downloaded it, it will download in your download box. Then you click on continue. Now it will give you instruction. Like I told you guys, is quite easy using integration aspect. It's quite easy because they will give you the overview and the rest on how to go about it. So once you've downloaded the extension, then they will now tell you to go to your WordPress dashboard, plugin, WordPress website like Shopify, WordPress, Magneto, Space, and the rest. Okay, they give you instruction on how to do it, and the reason why this is very important and very easier is because it doesn't require any coding. It doesn't require any code. It just connects it together, and then it automatically gives you the information you need from page view, add to cart, and many other informations that you want to track on your website. So I'm going to my WordPress site now so I can be able to install the plugin. So I'm now in my WordPress site. I will now go to plugin, add new. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Obi Mamunachi. I'll be helping you guys succeed on any marketing process you want to venture in, and any marketing process you want to venture into. All right, so it's loading. So I have now my plugin. Then I'll have to go to upload. Okay, then you click on upload. Then I will now select browse. So I will now have to go to my download the extension to upload this information, the extension on my plugin. So I'll have to search for it because this is it, Facebook. Okay, then we'll now install. Then you install it. So once you've installed it, and then activate it. Okay, to activate the plugin after you've installed it on your WordPress site, and then activate it. And after activating it, you have to input your pixel ID. You understand? You pick your pixel ID, and then you have to tick these two options. You have to tick them so that Facebook can be able to give you the more information you need. And also remember the API we copied, okay, from the video. You have to paste it here, and after pasting it here, then you save it. Okay, so as you are doing it, Facebook will give you your pixel ID. As you can see here, it will give you your pixel ID, which you will now copy on your on the pixel extension, which you copy the here, and then the ID, the API we initiated the last time. Then you also will copy it and then paste it there. And after doing that, you save it, and after the saving, it will activate immediately. Okay, once it activates, you see the green button, green icon here with an active word here showing active. As you can see here, I've received an information from my website 4 hours ago because I've not done any activity on my website. Okay, so as you can see here, my website WordPress is active and functioning. Okay, and then once you are through, you can now say everything is now working. You activate it, and then you test the event to know whether you actually getting any event from your website, whether you're actually getting any information from your website, and then you test it and then find out that everything is working properly. And if it's not working, it will as well tell you that it's not working. So this is how you set up your pixel correctly. This is how you do it. As you can see here, these are information in the last 7 days. I've had add to cart, initiate, and then purchase. Okay, so this is how you integrate your WordPress website with a third-party integration, and it makes it very quite easy to do it. So if you want to do connecting it through pasting the code, remember the informations on your website, and start getting 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 informations on your website, and then you start tracking activities going on your website. So here you can actually test the event, test if actually your website is taking data correctly. All right, you can actually test the checkout page, test the content page, test the payment page for purchase. Okay, once you do this, here you input the website. As you can see here, this is my website. You input it, and then it redirects to your website to indicate that this website is actually taking in information. And once you do that, it will read here. Immediately you can come to the overview, and then it will show you that yes, this website is actually tracking information happening on your website. So this is how to set up your WordPress website together with your pixel. And as you can see here, I've shown you an overview, a step-by-step highlight on how to do it. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions on the pixel, or maybe your pixel is not setting up correctly, you can as well comment in the comment section, and I will reply you and then help you sort it out effectively. Okay, if you have any question, any video you want me to shoot, you can as well comment in the comment section. Once more, subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Obioma Chibi. So watch out for my next video. Watch out for my next video.